Huh? Oh, excuse me, baby sister, and excuse me, baby sister. I got one baby sister, but I call her baby sister because I don't know what is her name. I mean the true name. I'm gonna sing later because I'm still eating banana cue.
Ito si ate. Ilan to? Ay, babae. Dalawa babae dito. Kasi isa pa. Babae ba?
Pero balik ka ba ng max para nagiging isa yung mukha?
Isa kayo yung tipo na naman sila babae mo sila.
Pag-isilihan na tayo, isang dalaw nila. Yan ang grupo, di ba?
Sige.
Tingnan natin, kung nandun sa naman ng tipo, Ria.
Okay, I'm gonna sing Ode to Joy right now, but I didn't still find it because my baby sister. But I want to sing right now, and before I say see you later, but it's see you now. I'm very very sorry. I already say I will sing, but I'm still eating. I will say I will sing that, but I'm eating this.
Alam niyo kung sino yung tatay niya? Sino?